Hey, what's up guys, it's B here. So today I'm going to be taking a look at the Key Light. This is by Elgato. I have a couple of other Elgato products I'm going to be unboxing here soon. I needed some new lighting. I have these big huge soft boxes. They're just hard to break down. I don't have a set studio. I just kind of move from room to room in the house wherever it's available. But I have to keep breaking these big lights down and putting them away, you know, because they're in the way. Anyway, so I thought I'd get this Key Light. It's portable and it's, I heard it's really slim, so this is a box, pretty big box. Give me a second, I will be right back. Alright, here we go. So, yeah, I just needed a more portable light. This light just looked like it would do the job. So let's get it open. Let's check it out. I'm not going to go too in depth on this either. It's just going to be an unboxing, and I will do a light test. Pull it out here. Pretty hefty packaging. Nothing else in the box. Got some quick specs on the bottom. So it is Wi-Fi enabled. It has an app, 2800 lumens, bright and dimmable, full spectrum, warm to cold white, space-saving metal design. Elgato. They make some pretty good products, pretty sturdy. Again, I just got one of the Stream Decks. I have two. I sent the other one back actually, but I did do some unboxing and I'll have them side by side and everything, but that's to come. So anyway, with the Elgato logo, cardboard, key light, quick start guide, all that. So I'll go through all that and I'll get it set up. And see, in here in the box we have, looks like some adapters here for the plugs, and the plug-in. So you pop the little adapters on the end there and just pop them in. Got a couple of different ones in there. Let's see, a bunch of them. Whatever kind of setup you got, and it looks like you just see if we can do it real quick here. There's a button there you can press. It looks like a release button. There we go. Locks right in place. And there's a button here you press. Let's see. Pop it out. That. Yeah, in this box. It's just a spacer box here and there. For the bar. Got the bar. Pretty sturdy. Oh, it's nice. Like I said, it makes some pretty sturdy products, pretty good stuff. So that is all that is in this box. Then let's go to, I had to make sure I was recording because I went through a whole thing of this before and I had to go back and do everything over again. So there we go, and the flip, and here's the light. The back here, off on switch, the plug adapter goes in here. May become hot during prolonged use. On level of caution. So give me a second to set this up. I'm gonna get this set up and I'm gonna go ahead and end the video. I'm gonna actually let you see some of the setup here. It's the back, so it's on a ball mount, so it can rotate. Moves up, down, to the side. And on either side, on the top, so on the top it has these screw holes. Let's see right here, give me a second. See it? So there's one right there. And they have that on either side, or actually all four sides of this. And there's your power button and everything right there. So give me a second, I'll be right back. Okay, so I got it all set up. It's a pretty simple process. You just, if you're doing it on the Android device like me, you'll get this control center. So you'll just need to go to the Play Store and download that. You won't need to have a Wi-Fi connection. Give me a minute. Let me just, okay, so right now it's off. I'm using the softbox over here. Let me turn the softbox off, okay? Now I just have my overhead light for the room. And so turn it on. There's an off and on, pretty simple. So it's on now. It's like max brightness. So let's go from a cool, this is 700, a cooler, and then we're gonna go, let's see here, a warm. And then we're gonna dim it. It's absolute zero right there. Well, it's zero, it's 3%. It's as low as it goes. And let's bring it back up. And there we go. Back to cool. Max brightness. So there we are. Unbox the Elgato Key Light. They also have a Key Light Air. I just thought I'd need this one because it's a little bit bigger. So I'm going to have this in the link in the description below. Again, like, comment, subscribe. This is V. I'm out.